Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to add alarm label on OPPO A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is click the digital clock on your home screen to proceed to alarm clock. And okay guys, here below you can see the alarm, the word clock, the stopwatch, and the timer. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add alarm label. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to alarm. And okay guys, here in alarm, okay, I have one set of alarm here. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add label. Okay, you'll have to do is click the alarm time to add label. And okay guys, here you can see the label. Okay, to change or to add label, okay, you'll have to do is click label. And now here you can change the label. Okay, for my example, I change into vlogging. And okay guys, after that, okay, after you change this, okay, don't forget to click the save button on the upper right side on your screen. Okay, and okay guys, okay, we have successfully saved or add alarm label on your alarm time. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.